NVIDIA and Google Cloud are joining forces to expand access to accelerated computing, and trust me, this is a game changer for everything from visual computing to the future of physical and agentic AI. So, what's the big news? Google Cloud just announced the general availability of their new G4 virtual machines, and these aren't just any VMs. They're powered by the brand new NVIDIA RTX PRO 6000 Blackwell Server Edition GPUs. Think of this as putting a new class of supercar engine into an already powerful cloud infrastructure, but it gets even better. To unlock the full potential of these new machines, NVIDIA Omniverse and NVIDIA Isaac Sim are now available directly from the Google Cloud Marketplace as virtual machine images. This is huge for industries like manufacturing, automotive, and logistics. We're talking about creating a single, versatile platform where enterprises can accelerate pretty much any demanding task you can think of, all on Google Cloud. Let's break down why this RTX PRO 6000 Blackwell GPU is such a beast. It's designed to be the ultimate data center GPU, excelling at high-performance AI inference. This is crucial for running the complex, multimodal, generative, and agentic AI models that are becoming so popular. But it's not just about AI. It also supercharges complex visual and simulation workloads. We're talking about computer-aided engineering, high-end content creation, and robotics simulation. And companies are already putting this to the test. Take WPP, the global advertising giant. They're using these G4 VMs with NVIDIA Omniverse to instantly generate photorealistic 3D advertising environments at a global scale. Imagine creating an entire virtual set for a commercial in a fraction of the time and cost. Meanwhile, Altair, a leader in computational science, is using this platform within their Altair One suite to accelerate incredibly demanding simulation and fluid dynamics workloads. This is the kind of power that solves problems that were previously too complex or time-consuming. So, what makes the new G4 VM a universal platform for both AI and visual computing? At its heart is that NVIDIA RTX PRO 6000 Blackwell GPU. This GPU is a marvel of engineering, built on the groundbreaking NVIDIA Blackwell architecture. It cleverly combines two incredibly powerful engines. First, you have the 5th generation Tensor cores. These are the AI brains of the operation, delivering a massive jump in AI performance. They support new data formats like FP4, which means you get faster performance while using less memory. For anyone working with large AI models, this is a dream come true. Second, you have the 4th generation RT cores. These are for the visual side of things. They provide over double the real-time ray tracing performance compared to the previous generation. This is what enables cinematic quality graphics and photorealistic simulations that look so real, you can't tell them apart from reality. On Google Cloud, these G4 VMs are built for massive scale. You can configure them with up to 8 of these RTX PRO 6000 GPUs in a single instance. That's a staggering 768 gigabytes of ultra-fast GDDR7 memory. And it's all supported by high-throughput local and network storage, so you're never bottlenecked by data speed. What's really smart is how Google has integrated this. As part of Google Cloud's AI hypercomputer architecture, these G4 VMs work seamlessly with services like Google Kubernetes Engine and Vertex AI. This simplifies deploying containerized applications and streamlines the entire machine learning workflow, from development to production. The flexibility even extends to accelerating large-scale data analytics on Apache Spark and Hadoop using Dataproc. And for all the designers and engineers out there, don't worry, you're not left out. These VMs also support a broad ecosystem of popular third-party applications like Autodesk AutoCAD, Blender, and Dassault SolidWorks. Your favorite tools just got a massive power-up. Now, let's talk about something really exciting: industrial digitalization. This is where things get futuristic. With NVIDIA Omniverse now available on Google Cloud, customers can tap into a suite of tools for developing applications that can digitize entire industries. Omniverse is built on Universal Scene Description, or OpenUSD, which is basically the HTML for the 3D internet. With the Omniverse virtual machine image and these powerful G4 VMs, enterprises can now build and operate digital twins. A digital twin is a physically accurate, real-time virtual replica of a real-world object or environment, like a factory or a new car model. You can use these virtual replicas to simulate and optimize operations before you ever make a change in the real world. This is powered by NVIDIA's Cosmos World Foundation model platform and Omniverse blueprints, making it easier than ever to create these sophisticated digital twins. This also has massive implications for robotics. Developers can use NVIDIA Isaac Sim, which is a reference application built on Omniverse to train, simulate, and validate AI-driven robots. You can test your robots in a physics-based virtual environment that perfectly mimics the real world, ensuring they work flawlessly before you deploy them on the factory floor or in a warehouse. This drastically reduces development time and costs. Beyond Omniverse, this partnership unlocks the full NVIDIA software stack for Google Cloud customers. This accelerates a whole range of high-demand workloads. For example, Agentic AI. Developers can use NVIDIA's Nemotron family of open reasoning models and NVIDIA blueprints to quickly build sophisticated AI agents that can reason, plan, and act on their own. And for deployment, NVIDIA NIM provides optimized, high-performance inference for these AI models with enterprise-grade security and support. For the scientific and high-performance computing community, this is a huge win. You can solve complex problems in fields like drug discovery and genomics using NVIDIA's CUDA-X libraries and microservices. On the new RTX PRO 6000 Blackwell GPU, core genomics algorithms like sequence alignment can see up to a 6.8 times faster throughput compared to the previous generation. That's a massive acceleration for life-saving research. And for the creative professionals, this powers up remote design and visual computing pipelines. Using NVIDIA RTX Virtual Workstation software, you can stream a high-performance virtual workstation instance from a G4 VM to any device, anywhere in the world. This means you can have the power of a top-tier workstation on a laptop, a tablet, wherever you are. So, what does all of this mean when you put it together? NVIDIA and Google Cloud have created a complete end-to-end platform built on the NVIDIA Blackwell architecture. It spans everything from the massive-scale AI training and inference capabilities of the NVIDIA GB200, NVL72, and HGX B200 systems, all the way to the flexible AI inference and visual computing power of the RTX PRO 6000 on these new G4 VMs. This unified architecture provides a seamless, consistent experience for accelerating every single workload. It empowers enterprises to tackle complex, multi-stage pipelines, from data analytics to building physical AI, all within a single, powerful cloud ecosystem. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a paradigm shift in what's possible with cloud computing. It's an incredibly exciting time for technology, and this partnership is a major leap forward. The ability to access this kind of power on demand is going to unlock innovation in ways we can't even imagine yet. What are your thoughts on this? What applications are you most excited to see transformed by this new platform? Let me know down in the comments below. If you found this video informative and want to stay up to date on the latest in tech, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.